Hi, I'm Yvonne from Briggs & Riley, and this is the Medium Expandable Brief from the At Work collection. Crafted with rugged ballistic nylon, gorgeous leather detailing, and smart accents, this two-compartment Medium Expandable Brief is a feature-rich, smart choice for the style-conscious professional. The elegant leather patch on the front of the brief can be embossed with a personal monogram of up to 3 letters. There's an easy-access zippered pocket on the face, as well as a cleverly placed speed-through pocket that can be accessed without letting go of the carry handles. It's ideal for storing your personal items at security checkpoints. It's identified by the leather pull tab and is lined in orange, visually alerting you that the pocket is open. The front organizer section features elastic slips with leather tabs to organize your tech essentials like cords and USB drives. There's a bloused pocket for larger accessories like power bricks or sunglasses, a padded tablet slip pocket, and an RFID blocking pocket with discreetly hidden credit card slots to protect against unauthorized scanning of your personal data. The organizer lid has elastic pen loops for intuitive access, as well as additional slip pockets for business cards and other slim profile items. The main compartment has additional pockets for organization, while the spacious interior holds important documents and files. It features a zippered private area, which can be expanded a full 2.5 inches to accommodate items like toiletries and clothing. The bag opens completely flat, allowing you to pack this private compartment with great ease. The laptop compartment has an integrated padded laptop sleeve, which fits most 15.6-inch computers. The back of this brief can also be slipped over any Briggs & Riley outsider handle for convenient transport. It also comes with a beautiful leather ID tag and an adjustable length padded shoulder strap. Well-appointed organization with premium details throughout, the Medium Expandable Brief from the At Work collection is an intelligent extension of your professional style.